How to operate your electric ET Series floor model steamer. In this video, we will cover how to operate your Vulcan ET Series steamer. All demonstrations in this video have been performed by trained professionals. In partnership with Hobart Service and authorized warranty service providers, Vulcan offers a new equipment checkout free of charge. The new equipment checkout ensures equipment has been properly installed and is operating correctly. To schedule, contact your sales representative. Operation. Main power switch. The main power switch turns power to the unit on and off. When turned on, the power light will illuminate an amber color and the steam generator will begin to fill and preheat to 190 degrees Fahrenheit. After the generator is preheated, the green ready light will illuminate and the steamer is ready to be used. When the main power switch is turned to off, the power light will turn off and the generator will start to drain and activate the condensate valve to cool down drain temperatures. This process will typically take around 15 minutes before completion. Timer. Turn the timer knob to set the desired cooking time. Time can be set between 0 and 60 minutes. When the timer reaches 0, the buzzer will sound and steam will stop entering the cooking compartment. To silence the buzzer, turn the timer knob to the off position. When the timer is set to the constant steam position, the steamer will steam continuously and no buzzer will sound. The steamer will continue to run until the timer is turned to the off position. Ready light. After the unit is powered on, the ready light, located on the front panel, will illuminate green when the steamer is ready for use. The cooking light, located to the right of the ready light, will illuminate red to indicate the steamer is cooking. Warning: the steamer and its parts are hot. Use care when operating, cleaning, or servicing the steamer. The cooking compartment contains live steam. Stay clear while opening the door. Preheating the cavity of the steamer. It is important to preheat the cooking compartment whenever the compartment is cold or before the first use of the day. After the unit has powered on, wait for the ready light to illuminate green and then set the timer to 5 minutes. The cooking light will illuminate red, and when the buzzer sounds, turn the timer to the off position. You have now successfully preheated the steamer and are ready to cook. Steaming. Once the unit is preheated, place pans of food into the cooking compartment and close the door. Set the timer to the desired cooking time to start cooking. If the door is opened during cooking, the cooking cycle will be interrupted and the timer continues to run. Close the door to resume the cooking cycle and open the door after the timer is complete to remove the food. Note: when steaming food products, perforated pans are recommended. Foils or plastic wrap should be avoided. Now you are ready to use your Vulcan Electric EA steamer. For more information on operating and maintaining your equipment, refer to the operation manual on the Vulcan website.